The right backpack can make or break your hunt. That's why you need something tough enough to haul your gear in, comfortable enough for long hikes, and strong enough to bring the meat back out. In this video, we're looking at the 7 best hunting backpacks. Whether you want a budget-friendly option, something built for heavy loads, or a pack that's designed to carry your rifle or bow hands-free. You'll find links to the best prices for all the hunting backpacks mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these backpacks aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 7 is the ALPS Outdoor Z Commander. This is the most budget-friendly hunting backpack on our list. This pack gives you a huge 5,250 cubic inches of space that rides on a freighter frame. That means you can haul in all your gear, then strip the bag off and use the frame by itself to pack out meat or heavy loads. The freighter shelf and straps keep things steady even when the weight is uneven. Inside, it's designed to stay organized. There's a big main compartment, a spotting scope pocket, 2 side accessory pockets, a rifle holder, and even a divider that splits the pack so you can keep gear separated. You also get bottom access zippers so you're not digging all the way through the top to find something. Plus, the fabric is heavy-duty ripstop, water-resistant, and built to take abuse. It also has a spin-drift collar with a draw cord that seals the main compartment to keep out dust and moisture. If you talk about comfort, the aluminum frame adjusts for torso lengths between 17 and 23 inches. You'll have a padded belt, shoulder harness, load lifters, and a breathable back panel that makes long treks easier. It's also hydration compatible and has plenty of lashing points for sleeping pads, tripods, or game bags. Overall, for the amount of pack you're getting, it's tough to beat at this range. Number 6 is the Kifaru Gun Bearer. This is the best pack for carrying a rifle or bow on our list. You don't want a rifle sling slipping off your shoulder or banging up your scope while you're hiking through rough terrain. The Gun Bearer keeps your firearm in a cradle on your hip belt so the weight sits low on your body. That takes the pressure off your shoulders and keeps your hands free for climbing, glassing, or pushing through brush. When you need your rifle, it's fast. A quick pull on the release strap, and you can shoulder your gun in seconds. Plus, it works for both right and left-handed shooters, and you can adjust it for any rifle or shotgun length. Now, you can choose between 2 versions. The standard model is made for Kifaru packs, where it locks directly into the waist belt's webbing. And then there's the Universal Gun Bearer, which works with almost any other pack, padded or not. That one includes extra wraps so you can secure it even if your pack doesn't have MOLLE webbing. The system itself is lightweight, just over 4 ounces, and built with a tough Hypalon cradle and adjustable nylon straps. Number 5 is the Stone Glacier Terminus 7000. This is the best high-capacity pack for multi-day hunts on our list. What makes it stand out is obviously the size. You're looking at 7,000 cubic inches in the main bag, plus a 500 cubic inch lid for quick access gear. Inside, there's also a collapsible 2,200 cubic inch load cell for meat. Plus, there's a spotting scope pocket and attachment points for add-on pouches. Built-wise, it's made with Stone Glacier's Ultra PE and X-Pack fabrics and heavy-duty YKK No. 10 zippers. That combo makes it light, but still tough enough to handle everything from scorching heat to snow and rain without breaking down. The frame is sewn directly to the bag to cut weight, but you still get serious support. Plus, it uses 4 carbon composite stays and carries up to 150 pounds. Sits 26 inches tall, so the load lifters work easily. The harness adjusts with Velcro, which means you can dial in a custom fit. The hip belt and chest strap help spread the weight on long pack-outs. In bivy mode, it compresses down surprisingly tight for a bag this size, so it doesn't feel bulky on shorter hunts. And when you open it up for multi-day trips, there's room for everything, plus boned-out meat in that internal load cell. And if you want to know the latest prices for the hunting backpacks discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is Kifaru Absaroka. This is the best waterproof hunting backpack on our list. This backpack is big with over 6,500 cubic inches of space. You'll have a 5,000 cubic inch main bag, a 1,000 cubic inch lid with multiple zippers for organizing smaller gear, and a 580 cubic inch outer pouch for quick access stuff. So if you're packing for multi-day hunts, you're covered. What I like about this pack is how easy it is to get into. Instead of digging all the way down through a roll top, you'll have a long outer zipper that runs down both sides. That means if you need something buried at the bottom, you just unzip and grab it without hassle. It comes in at about 3.25 pounds, which is pretty light for this size. And on both sides, you get bottle holders that aren't just for water. They work great for trekking poles, tripods, spotting scopes, or whatever you don't want crammed inside. This thing's also built to handle anything, whether it's a backcountry elk hunt in Colorado, a mountain goat trip in BC, or even a moose hunt in Alaska. Hunters are already taking it into serious terrain, and it's holding up strong. Overall, for a waterproof hunting pack that's versatile and lightweight, the Absaroka makes a strong case. Number 3 is the Mystery Ranch Treehouse 20. This is the best tree stand hunting pack on our list. What makes it different is that it's built for hunters who spend time up in a stand. It has a heavy-duty hook on the back so you can hang it right beside you, and then their Stay Open design lets the top flap hold itself open. That means you can get in and out of your pack one-handed without fumbling around. On the outside, you'll have a front pouch for quick access items like a rangefinder or water. Then some buckles let you strap on a bow, a lightweight stand, or even climbing sticks. Plus, there are side pouches as well, and the shoulder straps tighten down to keep the load snug against your chest. Inside, the organization is solid. You get plenty of pockets to keep gear separated, plus zippered compartments for valuables like your phone, wallet, or tags. The material itself is designed to stay quiet, so you're not making noise while you dig through it. Size-wise, it measures about 21.5 by 13 by 7.5 inches, weighs just 4.6 pounds, and still has enough room. Number 2 is the Akek Alpha 3200. This is the best value for money hunting backpack on our list. What makes this pack stand out is its flexibility. You can run it in full mode for multi-day hunts or switch it to compact mode when you just need something lighter. The compact setup even works with the built-in meat shelf, so you can haul quarters or extra gear without dragging the whole bag. It's built with 500D Cordura fabric, which is tough, water-resistant, and finished with a DWR coating. Plus, every pack comes with a rain cover tucked inside, so you're covered in rough weather. The zippers are dust and water-resistant too, which helps keep everything protected. Storage-wise, Alpha truly shines. You'll have tons of pockets, mesh compartments inside, bottle holders on the sides, hip belt pockets, and even a front organizer section. The whole bag opens wide, so you're not digging around to find your gear. And if you want, hip belt pockets can be swapped out for a gun holster or other accessories. Comfort is customizable too. The shoulder straps and hip belt adjust for different body sizes, and the lumbar pad can be tuned for the right amount of support. On top of that, it has one of the slickest rifle and bow carry systems you'll see. There's also a magnetic release that lets you pull your rifle over your shoulder quickly, and the bow setup is just as simple. Greg puts it as, "This pack works fantastic. I ordered it in May 2022 and trained with 50 pounds in it all summer. It holds weight well. I climbed up and down mountains in the snow. Didn't even have a problem with anything on the pack. The weapon sling works awesome." Number 1 is the Badlands 2200. This is the best overall hunting backpack on our list. The first thing that stands out is comfort. The suspension system uses molded memory foam, so it gets more comfortable the longer you use it. The waist belt also tightens inward instead of outward, which makes it way easier to cinch down when you're carrying heavy loads. This backpack is lighter than aluminum, but almost twice as strong, which is exactly what you want when you're hauling meat miles back to camp. And with its built-in meat shelf, you can secure quarters or other heavy gear and trust it won't give out on you. As Dalton says, this pack is very comfortable and molds to your body. The first time I put it on with 50 pounds of weight, I was amazed at the difference from my older pack. Take the time to learn how to wear, use, and adjust the pack correctly to your body. If it's not adjusted correctly, then any pack is going to wear you down after a few miles in the heat. It has great storage, and the construction is very solid. The blaze orange meat hauler cover and rifle stock support is in a somewhat hidden zipper underneath, so don't miss that. Overall, extremely happy with this pack. Storage-wise, you get 2,200 cubic inches, which is plenty for day hunts or even an overnight if you pack light. The batwing straps and detachable rifle bow boot Keep your weapon locked down and hands-free. And the hip belt even has pistol holsters on both sides. There's also room for a hydration bladder up to 2 liters so you're not stuck juggling bottles. The fabric is also quiet, weather-resistant, and tough, which makes a big difference when you're trying not to spook game. And to top it off, it's backed by Badlands' unconditional lifetime warranty. If it breaks, they fix it without any questions. Overall, considering the durability and the warranty, it's more of a long-term investment than just another backpack. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect hunting backpack. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each hunting backpack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.